Today, we're going to install a dash cam on a Honda CRV. Before installing, plug in the camera using the 12-volt adapter or a power bank to get familiar with the interface and verify everything works. Next, clean the inside of your windshield using a microfiber cloth to ensure the adhesive holds firmly. Remove the protective films from the camera lens and screen. Peel off the red backing from the 3M adhesive on the mount. Stick the entire assembly onto the center of your windshield, just behind the rearview mirror. Press firmly to secure it. Next, route the power cable. Tuck it into the headliner, guide it down the A-pillar on the passenger side, and run it toward the center console. Plug it into the 12-volt outlet. If your dash cam comes with a rear camera, this is how you install it. First, plug the rear cam into the front dash camera. We like to route the cable from the front all the way to the rear. Like the dash cam, route the cable starting with the headliner to the A-pillar, continue with the weather stripping to the B-pillar, all the way back to the rear window. Next, clean the inside of your windshield using a microfiber cloth to ensure the adhesive holds firmly. Once powered, the camera automatically begins loop recording. That means older files will be overwritten once the memory card fills up, so you'll always have the most recent footage saved. You don't need the app for everyday recording, but if you want to download videos wirelessly or adjust settings, you can easily connect the dash cam to your phone. If you're using wireless CarPlay or wireless Android Auto, make sure to temporarily disconnect it, as it can interfere with the dash cam's Wi-Fi connection. And just a heads up, the dash cam's Wi-Fi is not for the internet. It's a private and secure connection used only to link the camera with your phone. For more support or accessories, visit typesauto.com or leave your questions in the comments below.